Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the Connected Devices section. Step 3. Tap on Connection Preferences. Step 4. Select Android Auto. Step 5. You will now be taken to Android Auto settings. Tap on Previously Connected Cars. Step 6. Select the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. Step 7. Now, tap on Forget All Cars. Step 8. Go back to the previous menu and select Connect a Car. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone with your car's head unit.